Number 25 on page 310 continues with looking at and growing an investment in an account. This question asks us to find the interest rate this time. If we know that our investment is compounded daily and we're starting with $22,000 and we want it to grow to $36,500 in 5 years. So now we're trying to find what is the best interest rate that'll grow that money in that time. So we know what we want to end up with. We want to end up with an investment value of $36,500, that we're starting with $22,000, that the bank is going to give us this time, 5 years, that we're getting compounded daily, so that's 365 days. And what we don't know is what interest rate will get us there. Okay, so we're going to use the same formula for our compound interest. So A equals P times 1 plus R over K to the KT. And we'll fill in all the information and then solve for R. So we have $36,500 equals 22,000 times 1 plus R over 365 raised to the 4 times 365 power. Okay, simplifying a little, we're going to divide both sides by 22,000. Simplifying that fraction, we get 365 over 22 equals 1 plus R over 365 to the 1825 power. So we are now going to have to take the root of that. So we're going to take the 1825th root. So we're left with the 1825th root of 365 over 22. And again, I'm just going to put this in my calculator all at one time to get the most exact answer. So I'm going to subtract 1 and then multiply everything by 365. So I have the 1825 root of 365 over 22 minus 1, and this whole thing is going to be multiplied times 365, and that will give me my R. So I get an R value of 0.1013, which gives me, I'm looking for an interest rate of 10.13% in order to get my investment to grow in 5 years to $36,500.